Give me my pill. Give me my pill. That's my pill.
And welcome to another episode of Full Loon, Oscar.
Ja, welkom hier so by Full Loon. Ons gaan vandag 'n bietjie doen wat geen ander regering kan doen nie en ons slaag raak van die gemors.
Ja, ons sal dit self doen.
Sodom en Gomorra.
Anything to say with that pill in your mouth?
Enjoy the episode.
Just throw him in the pack.
Excuse me. Can you get the fuck out of here? Hey, get fucking out of here. Don't come here with a skak here, okay? You! Who threw away my pill here? Give me my pill back. Give me my pill. Get him fucking out of here.
gaan hier aan?
Who the fuck is this? Hey, if I fucking catch you, you got my pill.
Wat die fuck is dit?
It's mine.
Ken jy die man?
Hey, get him out of here. You know him. Give me my bill back. Sit him in die fucking trolley. Put him in this fucking, put him in here. Hey, get in the fucking trolley. Gooi hom hier achterin. Gooi die, gooi die fucker hier achterin, man. Fuck.
Ja, gooi hom in.
Throw him in there. Give me my pill back. Give me my pill. Give me my pill. That's my pill. Throw him in there. Throw him in there.
Ja, gooi hom in. Gooi hom in.
Okay, so bring him here. Then we fucking hack this in there. Then we pock him in there. Come on, man. Come on, man. If you touch my pill again. If you touch my pill again, don't you fucking touch my pill again. Okay. Okay. Gooi sy lorry. Gooi sy hele fucking lorry hier agterin. If I see you again here. Okay, julle, dis 'n prank. Daar's 'n kamera. Daar's 'n kamera. Daar's nog 'n kamera. Dis net 'n prank, julle. Kom sê hallo vir die kamera, kom sê hallo. It's just a prank, there's a camera right there, say hello. Daar's die ander kamera net daarso. Lekker.